operators or and. So let's start with talking about or. Or is used to connect two search terms and yields results containing either one of the terms or the other or both terms. An easy way to remember what or means is to remember that or always means more. Using or will always yield more results in your results list of articles. So if you have a search term and you connect it with another search term using or, you will get a results list that contains these articles and these articles. So this represents articles with one of the search terms. This represents articles with another search term connected by or. And then you will also have in that results list the overlapped ones, the articles that contain both search terms. So you end up with a result list that has every article on it contained here. Okay. So let's look at and. If you use and to connect two search terms, you're only going to yield the results that contain both terms. So the article has to have both terms in it. Using and will always yield fewer results. So let's look at what that would look like. We have one term and we connect it using and another term. And the only results we're going to see are the ones from this overlapped area where both terms are present in the articles. So naturally, we get fewer results. Okay, let's look at what this would look like with an actual search. So we're going to connect related terms, sometimes synonyms, sometimes just related, using or, and usually we're doing that to capture all of our viable results. We don't want to miss anything. So if I'm searching for sepsis, that's one of my search terms. I want all the articles that have the word sepsis in them. And then I also want to catch all the articles that have the term septic shock, which is a related term, not exactly the same meaning, more severe form of sepsis. So I do want those articles, though. I want to catch any viable results, articles that have septic shock. So my results list will contain all of these articles, as well as the articles in this overlapped area where both terms are present. So I have a lot of articles here, right? Let's look at and. We use and with searching to connect different concepts, and that will limit our results. So perhaps I'm looking at sepsis or septic shock only in the neonatal population. So I have that concept here, neonatal. I use and to connect it to my concept of septic shock. And my results list will only contain this overlapped area. So the results list will be articles that contain both terms. That is all that will show up on that results list. It's only the overlap if you use and. So naturally, I have a more limited number of results. So using and is a good way to narrow down my search and make a results list less cumbersome. So I hope this helps you as you're thinking about your searching. And as always, contact us in the library if you have any questions about Boolean searching or any other searching topic. Thank you.